After all my analysis, I've come to understand that there might be possibility that Facebook in-stream ad monetization is not eligible in Nigeria. So if you want to find out, make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. And after watching the video and you don't agree with me, you are free to drop your comment in the comment section, because why we are here is to learn from each other. Right, so you're welcome to Grow Better. This channel will teach people how to grow a social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Azimian, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post an amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. So in the previous video I posted, I said something that I feel that Facebook don't really want us to earn from in-stream ad. They just only want us to earn from ads on Reel and others. So after that video, I went back to think again, and I get to understand that in-stream ad is not eligible yet in Nigeria. They might still make us eligible, right? But at the time of making this video, I strongly believe that we are not eligible for in-stream ad. Right, so I will be sharing 3 good points in this video, and one of them is pre-enroll. Understand? So pre-enroll actually means that, okay, you've reached our criteria, and you've requested for monetization. Yes, we approve you, but you cannot earn at the moment. We'll hold you. Once your country is eligible for monetization, they will now allow you to start earning. But when you look at the people who are in pre-enroll in Nigeria, since Nigeria became eligible for Facebook monetization till date, their pages are still in pre-enroll. Understand? So this is to tell you that we are not yet eligible. In as much as they tell us that we are eligible, some people are earning from ads on Reel, some people are earning from in-stream ad, but we are not still eligible, right? So let me also share something. Okay, let me head to number 2. Number 2 reason is this. Some of you might have noticed that Facebook started disabling some people's in-stream ad, right? So I got so many comments on that, and also some people called me to ask if I know the reason why Facebook is disabling some people's in-stream ad. And when you look at it very well, you get to understand that most people that Facebook were disabling their in-stream ad are people who registered here in Nigeria and who registered with Nigeria details, right? So when Facebook said, yeah, you guys are now eligible to monetize, a lot of people were signing up for monetization, right? And I believe there are some batches that Facebook approved, right? Like my own page, which was actually signed up in Canada, but because of some certain things, the money I was making wasn't enough, because I was spending more than the money I was making. So I decided to actually tell my admin to give me back the page, and immediately give me back the page. The page was demonetized, and when Nigeria became eligible, the page was monetized back within 48 hours. Right, so the details right there is the Canada details. I was monetized, and some people who say that they requested with Nigerian details also got monetized then. But at long run, some people requested and their page has been in review till today. All right, okay, and I'm not talking about the review part. I'll still come back to that part, but I'm trying to say that most of those people who were approved, later on Facebook started disabling most of them in-stream ad. Right, and when they disable your in-stream ad, they will leave your ads on Reel. Right, so what I'm trying to say is this: if Facebook disable your in-stream ad, right, and leave the ads on Reel, it actually means that you are following their policy, right, but maybe your region is not eligible for in-stream ad. That's the reason why we don't want you to earn from there at the moment, right, or you earn from ads on Reels. I also shared in that video that I requested for 2 people of monetization here in Nigeria, and both of them are still in review, but one of them were invited for ads on Reel. Okay, let me tell you, that one that is invited for the ads on Reel, right, if the page is not good, if the page have issue, it actually means that they cannot invite that page, right? And for them to actually invite that page, it means that the page is following their policy. But this is exactly the one I want you to earn from, right? Up till now, the page is still on review. So I have so many people who commented in this channel that their in-stream ad is being disabled, right? Even some people that chatted me on WhatsApp, and even some people that called me, right? So, but I'm going to be reading just 2 comments for you. So according to this person said, hi, I am monetized, but my ads stream is disabled. Help. All right. This other person said, at Grow Better, same as me. I was monetized, but the in-stream ad option is disabled. I can't switch to on. Right. So this actually means that these people was monetized before, right? But suddenly the in-stream ad just got disabled. You understand? So we are still riding. So let me go to the delay aspect. So many people actually made Facebook criteria, right? And they got set up and they set up their account with Nigerian details. And since then, the page is still on review. Like I have two pages that is facing the same issue, right? Those pages are still on review till now. It's more than 3 weeks, right? Getting to 1 month now. And some people in this channel, I've seen so many comments. Some people are saying that their page is even more than 1 month, and still is still in review, right? So I'm going to read a comment, that will also help you to understand this thing that I'm trying to explain to you guys. This person actually chatted Facebook because her page is in pre-enroll, and Facebook responded to her that in-stream ad is not eligible in your region. Right. So I'm going to be reading this. According to this person said, I chatted them up through support inbox. I was told that in-stream ad is not available in my country yet, that they are still expanding it to other regions. I messaged them again with a screenshot of Nigeria as one of the country eligible. I was replied with the same message. My page is also on pre-enroll. I was told that my page is pre-registered, that my country is not supported for ad break, but the program is expanding to my country. I think they are still working on getting Nigeria monetized. All right. So she continued. I was eligible for Star, but now I am no longer eligible. That one is giving me another restriction on my page now. I pray the drama ends soon. All right. So you can see Facebook actually told her that in-stream ad is not eligible in her region, even after giving them the screenshot that state that Nigeria is among the country that is eligible for monetization, right? So I'm not trying to discourage anybody, right? But why I'm making this video is because I was triggered after getting so many comments from people who their pages has been on review for weeks now, so I decided to make that video, right? And then before I made that video, I posted a picture in my community when I said that if anybody know the reason why this thing is happening, they should let me know. I contacted some of my friends and they are saying that they believe that maybe Facebook actually is trying to take more time to review Nigerians, so and some of them also said maybe people who requested for the in-stream ad is too much, so that they are doing it small. But when you look at it, you see that people who are complaining that their page has been on review for a very long time are more than people who actually got monetized. And most people who got monetized, their in-stream ad is being disabled, and when they disable your in-stream ad, they leave the ad somewhere on, which shows you that the issue is not from you. You are not doing anything wrong. It's just their policy. Maybe at the moment they are still trying to work on in-stream ad in our own region. But I strongly believe that by now, at the time of making this video, that Nigeria is not yet eligible for in-stream ad. So the next question is, what do you want us to do? All right. So the advice I can actually give you is just two advice. So what I can actually tell you is that if you're eligible for in-stream ad, right, and you have meet the criteria and the setup is on, right? So what I can actually advise you is to just do it the same way we have been doing it before. Give it to somebody abroad. Allow the person to sign up with the abroad details, and let the person get your page monetized. Understand? So once the page gets monetized, then you can tell the person to make you an admin back, right? So that you now start posting here in Nigeria. It will work because my own page is my in-stream ad. You can see right here, you can see I still aim from in-stream ad, in as much as they've not invited me for ads on real. Is only still in-stream ad in this particular page. This post was monetized back right here in Nigeria, but it was signed up in abroad, which will show you that when you give somebody in abroad to sign up for you, right, and the person monetizes for you, you can still handle it right here in Nigeria. So, and another advice I can actually give you is this: instead of allowing your page to get stuck on review, all right, you should focus more on creating more of reels so that Facebook gets to invite you to ads on reel, so that you now start making money from ads on reel, because a lot of people are actually making money from ads on reel right here in Nigeria. And make sure that you edit your video well so that you won't get copyright or violation. Just make sure you are following their policy, community guideline, and all, right? Even when you get setup come out for the in-stream ad, if you want to wait for Nigeria to be eligible, fully eligible to sign up, you can wait. But if you cannot wait, give it to somebody abroad so that the person will now help you to sign up. Because if you do it right here in Nigeria, you might stop on review. Your review might last for months, and you won't be approved. It will just be on review. A lot of people are experiencing that right now. So for you to avoid that, you can give another person that is in abroad to help you to sign up, right? But if you don't want to give somebody abroad, you can sign up by yourself, use Nigerian details, then wait for any time. I believe once they are done with their doings and everything, all these pages that is on review, they are going to approve all of them so far you're following their policy, right? So the summary of everything is that at the moment, in-stream ad is not yet fully available. In as much as you can set up will come out, you can be able to set up, but I think they are working on it. Maybe they are trying to update the feature for us Nigerians, all right? So focus more on creating more of reels so that you get invited for action reel. You'll be able to earn a lot of money from reels. Focus more on creating reels, right? So thank you guys for watching this video. And if you feel you don't agree with me, just tell me in the comment section. We are here to learn. We learn from each other, right? And if you're new in this channel, I urge you to subscribe, because in this channel we share amazing content every day and you can't afford to miss them, right? And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. And if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you Mazzy for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment, right? So thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video.